Welcome to our analysis of Unchained Capital's crypto wallet. Unchained Capital is a financial services company that offers a unique collaborative custody model for digital assets. Using a multi-signature wallet, they provide secure and flexible access to your Bitcoin, allowing you to hold your own keys while also having a backup solution. Unchained Capital's wallet provides several noteworthy features. It uses a 2 of 3 multi-signature model, which means you hold 2 keys and Unchained holds 1. This setup offers security and flexibility. It also provides on-chain transactions, allowing you to verify all transactions directly on the blockchain. Additionally, it offers collaborative custody, meaning you can access your assets at any time, but also have a backup if needed. Unchained Capital operates on a freemium model. The basic wallet is free, with no setup or monthly fees. However, they offer a premium service called Concierge, costing $1,500. This includes hardware wallets, secure key generation, and a private client service. For businesses, there's a $2,000 initial setup fee and a $200 monthly fee. Depending on your needs, these premium services may offer significant value. Unchained Capital's wallet is ideal for those who want full control over their assets, but also want a safety net. It's great for hodlers who are not planning to make frequent transactions. Businesses looking for a secure, compliant way to manage their Bitcoin will also find this wallet useful. Additionally, it's perfect for those who want to verify transactions on-chain for ultimate transparency. Unchained Capital's wallet offers several advantages. The multi-signature model provides security while allowing you to maintain control. The ability to verify transactions on-chain gives transparency and peace of mind. The collaborative custody model is a unique blend of self-custody and trusted third-party backup. Lastly, the freemium model allows you to access essential services for free. Despite its benefits, Unchained Capital's wallet has some drawbacks. It only supports Bitcoin, limiting its utility for those with diverse portfolios. The premium services can be quite expensive, especially for small businesses or individuals. Lastly, while the collaborative custody model offers security, it also means that Unchained Capital has access to one of your keys, which some users might not prefer. Unchained Capital's wallet is a unique offering in the crypto space, blending self-custody with a secure backup solution. Its multi-signature on-chain verification model offers transparency and security. However, its support for only Bitcoin and potentially high costs for premium services are limitations to consider. It's ideal for hodlers, businesses, and those seeking a blend of control and security. In conclusion, Unchained Capital's wallet offers a unique and secure solution for Bitcoin management. Its advantages lie in its security features and collaborative custody model, while its limitations are its Bitcoin-only support and potentially high cost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.